All right, third exercise. We're at Fitness for Life, Mark and Brian. Okay, third exercise, and the most important plane in all function is rotation. Muscles, joints are set up specifically for that. But like we said, all those directions are involved in every activity that you do. Muscles, you can't isolate them. Joints don't just move in one direction. There's a component of all three, just vary in degrees based on what you're doing. So the third direction is going to be the rotation. With this one, I'm going to show you the foot positions first. So you're going to lunge back to the right and then forward crossing. But this is the foot motion, the lower body motion. Now, again, to figure it out, put your hands on your hips, take your lunge to the right with the right foot. Then you can see by where his elbows are, he rotated to the right. So that means his upper body's got to go to the left. So he positions his arms there. Now he's set. Now he simply just lunges forward and back, getting that nice arm swing, nice and relaxed as he can be. Now, one thing I failed to mention on these three exercises, you want to keep your eyes forward because when you walk, that's the direction of your eyes. You're doing this for that purpose to simulate your walking patterns. Again, ranges of motion further than what you need. Now, if you're working on balance, okay, which is great, you can take all these motions and do them with a toe tap on these lunges. The forward one would be tapping out and back, out to the side, and toe tapping with rotation. It's a great way to start working on balance. And then a tweak from the eyes forward would be allow your head to turn, because sometimes when we're walking, you may be looking in a different direction. You want to be able to stabilize and maintain control when you're doing that. Basically, it's very hard to do any of the wrong. As long as you're moving, you're doing something good. But make them look relaxed. Don't force anything. Don't try to hold your body in any specific position. But if you work on these, you'll find that you feel better overall just because your body's going to be more mobile and move better, but you're also simulating what you're going to do out there every day. So
I think you're right. I think I feel pretty good now. I'm ready to start my day.
Okay.
If you have further questions, contact us at fitness4lifept.com.